All right, we're picking mangoes, people. It's time to pick. Some things I look for is a little bit of a color change. Mango's gotten light. I see some crystallization right there. See that? Little sugar crystals forming, and then a brown stem. See how the stem end is turning brown? Just like that. That means this is ready to pick. I've been staring at this for so long, and today's the day we're gonna harvest it. Alright guys, here we are a few days later, less than a week later. The original plan was to do a blind taste test between the Sweet Tart seedling tree and the original Sweet Tart. But this is what happened. This is the original Sweet Tart fruit, and it started to get this brown or black blemish. And this blemish thing is starting to spread. I think someone accidentally touched this or dropped it or something, and that's not good. So we're gonna have to eat this now. We can't do the blind taste test, but I will remember this flavor and compare it to the seedling, and then I'll report back to you and I'll tell you my thoughts on the taste comparisons. Okay, but this is the size of the Sweet Tart fruit, and look, this is a standard Hass avocado. They're almost the same size. This should be a little bit bigger and it should be a little bit better formed, but I live a little bit close to the coast, so we don't get that intense hot heat that mangoes really love and really like. I always say if you live like 10 miles away from the coast, away from that marine influence here in Southern California, that is mango country. That is a fine place to grow mangoes. In the more inland you go, it gets even better because you get that hot, almost desert heat. And then if you go all the way out to the desert, that's where they grow those California keep mangoes that you get at the grocery store around this time of year, September, October. Okay? Less time to taste test this Sweet Tart mango. I'm really excited. I grafted this back in 2021. And so I have to wait 2 years to finally taste this fruit. And we're going to taste it today. Let's go. Let's open it up. Oh man, this is exciting. Oh, let's take a look at this. Woo, good color. Nice color. All right. Not bad. Not bad color on this. Looking really good. This looks promising. This is exciting. I'm going to cut away this blemish part. Unfortunately, we cannot eat it. But I will eat every other part of this mango except the seed, of course. This peel, the skin, is absolutely edible. And it adds so much complexity to the flavor of a mango, especially if you grow it yourself and at home and you don't use chemicals or pesticides or sprays. The mango peel is so edible. It's so good. All right. Here we go. 2 years of waiting. Here we go. Oh, wow. It's so good. It's so good. Sweet Tart. It's sweet and it's tart. Perfectly named. It has a strong, intense flavor of sweetness and tartness combined. Man, and it has no fiber. Mm. Wow. I'm so happy right now. Mm. That was great. Let's cut the other cheek. Look at that. Wow. All right. Cut this. It's like just slicing a piece of apple or something. Wow. Really, really good. This variety, Sweet Tart, I strongly recommend people grow this variety in Southern California from seed. That's the distinction. Growing it from seed makes a massive difference. And I'll talk about that more later. All right, guys, here are some examples of some mangoes that I harvested recently. I just wanted to show you the size of them compared to these avocados. For example, here's a Hass avocado. You know, that's a standard little Hass avocado. Look at the size compared to these mangoes. This is what I'm talking about when I say I live a little bit too close to the coast and our mangoes just don't ripen properly, because that's a mature size. It won't get any bigger than this. We just don't get enough heat out here to really get these mangoes to full size. But some of them, like the Sweet Tart, like here's another Sweet Tart that I harvested. This one made it to the full size, I think. And this is the one we just tried. That's why. But if I lived a little bit closer away from the ocean, we would get full size mangoes on all these, and that's the difference I was talking about. All right, guys, here we are. This is 10 days after I picked this mango. This is the seedling. This mango came from a seed, from a Sweet Tart mango that I planted, that I got from Truly Tropical back in 2018. Shout out to Truly Tropical Farms in Florida. Thank you for the mango. I chose to plant this because there were several other varieties around this tree that they grow at their farm, so I was hoping there would be some cross-pollination, something going on. But it seems like this is just a Sweet Tart mango. We'll find out. I'll taste this, of course, and I'll let you know. But this is a seedling from a tree planted in 2018. This is 2023. 5 years from seed. That's fast. That's very fast in the world of trees and plants. And that's why I'm excited about planting Sweet Tart trees from seed. All right, let's open this mango. Let's see what's going on. I've been waiting 5 years to try this. So you're gonna watch me eat this mango. And all my anticipation. Oh, that's exciting. Wow, look at the color. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color in there. All right. All right, man. Man, this is exciting. Let's try this. So I picked this when it had sap beads, all the signs of ripeness. It had sap beads on it. The stem connecting to the tree was turning brown, and I had to get this before the animals were getting it. All right, here we go. 5 years of anticipation. We're gonna try it. Oh, wow, that is so good. But it tastes slightly different than a Sweet Tart. So there's maybe a little bit of variation going on. This has a lot more sweetness. I don't taste a lot of the tartness. Maybe because we waited 10 days after picking it to eat it. But this has a little slightly different flavor. Okay, I get the tartness. When I ate the peel, then I tasted the tartness. Fantastic, excellent mango to grow, okay? I encourage all of you to plant a Sweet Tart tree, especially one grown from seed. And if you need a tree from me, I have plenty of little Sweet Tart trees grown from seed in 1-gallon pots. I have them available. I want everyone to be able to taste this fantastic fruit, and I want us to create a little mini industry of Sweet Tart mango trees in Southern California, because it's an excellent piece of fruit that you will not get at any grocery store or anywhere else. You have to grow it on your own, and it's so much better than any supermarket mango. All right, as usual, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and have a great day. See you. Bye.